Hey YouTube, it's TaiG Jailbreak, and today I'm going to be showing you how to jailbreak your iOS device on iOS 8.3 or below. Yes, so we are back for more jailbreak tutorials. And as you can see here, we have TaiG Jailbreak tool, version 2.1.3. You're going to have to head over to taig.com. I'll put the link in the description for you guys to head over there. But that is the website for the jailbreak, and as you can see, it's a Chinese developer once again for the jailbreak. Once you download the tool, as you can see right here, it says download TaiG Jailbreak tool version 2.1.3. It's going to download as a zip file. You have to open that up and then just double click it. You're going to double click it and then run. Right now it is available only for Windows, but it will be coming to Mac soon. I actually think there are some ways to get the tool for Mac right now. I'd have to check that. I'll have to check how to do that and see if it's possible or not. I believe it is. Either way, it will be released for Mac soon. But if it does take longer than we think it'll take, there's a way around that, I believe, and I'll look into that, and I'll post a tutorial on how to do that in the description as well. As you can see, we're getting our first error. I'm on Windows 7 64-bit. If you're on a 64-bit version of Windows, you're most likely going to get this error, which says Apple driver hasn't been found. Please download and install iTunes. And we do have iTunes installed already. As you can see right there, it's running. So to fix this one, to fix this error, you're going to have to head over to Redmond Pi. And I'll put a link in the description for this post as well. And they describe over here how to fix this this error here. And basically all you have to do is download the 64-bit version of iTunes and make sure you have that. If you already do have that, you're going to download the 64-bit iTunes driver, which you can see right here, the 64-bit iTunes driver. For Windows, and you're going to click it right here to download it. It's going to take you to this website here. It's going to say iTunes driver 64 02 zip. You can download your computer. It's 46 megabytes. So we got that download to finish, and it's also going to download it as a zip file. And you can see right here, we have iTunes driver 64. You also have the Mac one right there. Double click that. We're in a yes. It's going to go ahead and install that driver for us there. Alright, so as you can see here, it says installing files seeking, and the program's not responding. But I rebooted TaiG, and you can see it is actually now functioning, so it must have installed it properly. It just gets stuck at that last step, so it's going to close out of that. Now in TaiG here it says turn off the passcode, so you're going to go to settings, passcode, turn off passcode, and then you're going to turn off Find My iPhone, settings, iCloud, Find My iPhone, enter your Apple ID password, and then turn that off. So we're going to go ahead and do that on the phone. So first we're going to turn off the passcode, and you're going to go to Touch ID and passcode here. You're going to enter your passcode. So we have the passcode entered, we're going to hit done. You're going to scroll down and turn passcode off, and then turn off. It's going to want you to enter it again. So we have that entered again. We're going to hit done. It's going to ask about Safari autofill. It doesn't really matter right now because you're just going to do this temporarily. So we kept that on. Now let's go ahead and turn off Find My iPhone. So we're going to go to iCloud here. Here's Find My iPhone. We're going to tap on that, turn that off, and we're going to enter our password for that. Just turning that off now. Find My iPhone, turn off. We're going to tell TaiG here to recheck. You can see that recognizes the phone, and it's going to install the DABs there to Cydia right there, and the 3K Assistant. Now 3K Assistant, I believe, is piracy software. I can't remember for sure though. Redmond Pi recommends us to turn it off, so we're going to go ahead and turn it off. Now when we uncheck 3K Assistant, it says they can optimize jailbreak environment. Convenient app installation, set pleasant ringtone, select the exquisite wallpaper. Now I believe this is still piracy stuff. I can't remember for sure. But I would just uncheck it, because that's what all the tutorials online are telling us to do, is to uncheck that. So you're going to go ahead and uncheck that. And then before you do this jailbreak, you're going to want to make sure you have a backup of your iPhone and iTunes, and have everything synced up and backed up to either iCloud or your iTunes program. I would do both, just in case something were to happen. It also recommends you to have a clean version of iOS. So that means you're going to want to restore your iPhone before you do this and set it up as new temporarily. And then once you finish the jailbreak, you're going to sync all your stuff and then restore the backup. Now I said I was going to try this jailbreak without restoring it and setting it up as new, as I just recommended you guys to do. But I did just try it with all my stuff on my phone without setting up as new and restoring it, and it did fail. So I just restored it and I did set it up as new. Now there's nothing on my phone now, so we're going to go ahead and hit start now and try it again. So now it's restarting the device here, and the data has already processed, and we're at 20%. You can see the phone is shutting down right now. Now you can see the phone is rebooting, and you got the Apple logo there. iTunes opened up, but we're going to go ahead and close out of that. It says the restart succeeded, and it's continuing the jailbreak. So you can see the 3 loading dots here, and you're just going to let the iPhone or whatever device you're using, you're going to let it just sit there for now. But as you can see, the program TaiG here is injecting the jailbreak and all that kind of stuff now. If we look back here on the other steps, it's waiting for processing unit that completed. So it succeeded, and then it was injecting the jailbreak program, and now it's restarting the device again. iTunes opened up. We're going to close out of that again. The device is now rebooted, and it's at the lock screen. And then you can see it's continuing the jailbreak again, and it's got those 3 loading dots again. Alright guys, so we're back here and the jailbreak has finished. I didn't realize my camera shut off and I was recording when it wasn't actually recording. So the only things you guys missed was a couple more injections and executions. I think it was executing the jailbreak programs and all that kind of stuff. And then I did one more reboot after that 60% mark. But you can see we are finished now. If we go to the iPhone, on slide to unlock that, we're going to ignore the SIM pop-up there for now. And you can see we have Cydia right here. And all we did was open it, and it prepared the file system, which it does every time when you first jailbreak your iPhone or iDevice in general. But then you can see Cydia is working here. And if we scroll down, you can see we're on iOS 8.3 right there. So the jailbreak has succeeded. And again, if you guys do have any questions at all with the jailbreak process, or if you run into any problems, go ahead and comment down below, and I'll respond to you guys. Any problems you have, I should be able to fix for you. So just go ahead and comment down below, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I possibly can. But that is it. We're jailbroken on iOS 8.3 on the iPhone 5S, as you can see here. If you guys did enjoy the video, go ahead and like it down below. I appreciate that. If you want my future videos, go ahead and subscribe down below as well. That'll keep you updated with when I release new videos. I did recently just build a PC, and I did film unboxings for every part that I got. So if you guys want any of that kind of stuff, iOS 9 jailbreaks, any updates to this jailbreak, iOS 8.4, they might have a jailbreak for that. I'm going to cover all that kind of stuff. The iPhone 6S, when that comes out, I'll be covering that. So if you guys want any of that kind of stuff, that's what's coming to the channel in the near future here. Go ahead and subscribe down below, and that'll keep you updated with when I push out these new videos. So again, I thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a good day. We'll see you in the next one. See you later.